Yes, Grok is no longer free again. Before you can have access to Grok, you need to upgrade to the SuperGrok, which will cost you $30 per month. Although it's worth it, yes, because Grok is one of my best AI tool I've ever used since I've been creating AI video for a very long time now. Yes, it's worth it. But what about a new beginner? Can you afford to pay $30 a month, especially for those of us living in Africa? And I made my research and I found out how you can actually use SuperGrok for absolutely free without paying a dime. Although the method is a little bit tricky, it's not hard. Don't panic. And we are not using any cracked version app. Everything is going to be directly from Grok itself. So all I want from you now is to relax, pay very close attention, as I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you how to use SuperGrok for absolutely free. Yes, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you two methods in which you can have access to SuperGrok. Okay, so the first method will cost you just $1, while the second method will cost you just $2. So pay attention to what I'm going to do. First, let me show you my current Grok account. Look at it. So if you look at my current Grok account, you realize that there's no SuperGrok there. Okay, so they are asking me to subscribe to SuperGrok. All right, so I'm going to be logging out of this particular account. I'm going to log out because I want to create a new account in order for me to have access to SuperGrok. So I'll just have to go ahead and log out. Okay, so as you can see, I've logged out of the account. So now let's go ahead and create the SuperGrok. Alright guys, so the first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and get a virtual card, but you can as well use your bank card, maybe your UBA or your Nigeria bank account, your Access Bank, Zenith Bank. You can use any card actually, but I recommend you use virtual card so you don't use your real card that there's money inside. And because of this, I'm going to be recommending two virtual cards for you, okay, that you can get online. Number one is this oneapp.online. okay, this particular one. So when you come to this website, you just have to go ahead and sign up using your Google account. After that, they will ask you to verify your information, your personal data. You can go ahead and verify it by imputing maybe your NIN or any valid ID card, just like every other online banking verification out there. You just have to go ahead and do the verification. So when you are done, then you click click your dashboard and then click this more. If you click the more, you are going to see manage cards. All right, so if you click the manage card, you can create either Nigeria virtual card or USD virtual card. For me, I created USD virtual card. Okay, so you can go ahead and create anyone that you like, and it's going to cost you just $1. Okay, so when you create the card, just keep your card detail. Okay, we are going to be using it. And as you can see, look at my card. Okay, you just have to go ahead and create your own. And the number two platform that I'm going to show you is Eversend. Okay, you can get virtual card from Eversend also. For you to have access to Eversend, you just have to go ahead, head over to your Play Store and install this particular app. When you install it, go ahead and sign up and do your verification. Okay, all right guys, so after you got your card ready, the next thing to do is to go ahead and get a temporary email. Okay, because you wouldn't want to always create email like that, but if you want, you can create email from scratch. You can just normally create your email, but for the purpose of this video, let's use temporary email. So you just come here and then search for temp email, and then this particular website, tempmail.org, go ahead and click it. So when you click it, it's going to open this way. So automatically this website will automatically generate an email for you. Okay, a temporary email that you can copy. Now let's watch and see. Okay, now take a look at this. So the website automatically generate email for me. Okay, but because I'm going to be using this same phone to subscribe to Grok, so I'm going to be switching to my second device. Okay, I'm going to generate another temporary email, okay, from my second device, so that I'm going to use that one because I'm using this same phone to do the subscription. All right guys, so after you got your email from temp email, you just have to head over here to your Grok and then click sign up. So when you click the sign up, it will bring you here to create a new account. You just have to go ahead and sign up using your email. Okay, sign up using your email and then go ahead and impute the email that you got from temporary email. Impute it here and then go ahead and hit okay. So when you hit sign up, it's going to ask you to verify. Look at it. So they're asking me to verify my email. Now look at my screen. I'm still on temporary email from my other device. Okay, so this is the email that I impute, right? Look at it. Okay, this is the email. So this email, now if you scroll up, you're going to see that they send the code, the verification code that Grok sent. So as you can see, look at the code. Okay, look at the code. So what I need to do is to go ahead and impute this code to verify my Grok account. Okay, so as you can see, all right, so when you put the code, you just have to go ahead and click verify email. Now let's watch and see. All right, so immediately you verify your email, is going to bring you to this page where you'll be asked to input your first name, last name, and password. So immediately you fill it up, go ahead and click sign up, and then boom, you have access to Grok. All right, guys, so look at it. We are now on Grok. This is what we want. We got it right, but this is just the normal Grok. Now let me show you the account so that you know that it is that same email that we use. Now click your profile. Now take a look at the email, look at the name. Okay, look at it. So this is the account. So now the question now is that how do we now get the SuperGrok? How do we now upgrade? Because they are asking us to upgrade, right? So what you need to do is to go ahead and click this try free. Okay, go ahead and click this try free. So if you click it, it's going to bring you here. Now pay very close attention. Make sure it's on 3-day free trial. Okay, make sure it's on 3-day free trial and it is cancelled like this. That is the money, the $30. That is the 48,000 naira. Okay, make sure it is cancelled. So now what you need to do now is to go ahead and click this 3-day free trial. Go ahead and click it. So when you click it, you'll be asked to provide your card details, which I'm going to be providing my virtual card details. So I'll click it and then I'll impute all my card details. So when I impute everything, what I need to do now is to go ahead and click save card. So when you click the save card, your card will be saved and then they are going to ask you to subscribe. Look at it. So you just have to go ahead and click this subscribe. Now let's watch and see. And then we are good to go. See, we have just subscribed successfully. Okay, guys, this is cool, this is nice. So now, all right, so now let me show you to know that this SuperGrok is active. So I'll just head over to my profile and then scroll up. You are going to see, now look at it. Okay, you see SuperGrok active. Okay, where, and you may ask, is just 3-day? Yes, it is 3-day, but I'm going to show you how to prolong this. But before that, let's test this thing to generate a video so that you see what we have. All right, so come back here to your home and then go ahead and click this imaging. Okay, so if you click the imaging, you are going to see okay, so this is the interface. So go ahead and click this adjustment icon and then you are going to see, you see your aspect ratio. Select your aspect ratio and you can actually select the length of the video. You see, instead of the normal 6 seconds, you can now generate up to 10 seconds. Guys, this is fantastic. And then if you scroll up, you are going to see the quality of the video, that is the resolution. You can select 720 pixel for a higher quality. Okay, so let's just go back. Okay, so when you come back here, I just want to test, so I'll just have to go ahead and impute a particular prompt and hit okay. All right, as you can see, so our video is being generated. Let's watch and see. Okay, so our video has been generated. Take a look at it. Okay, you see, now let me play it so that you see.
Last delivery today. I'm exhausted.
All right, so this is good, this is nice. The quality of the video is top notch and the length of the video is now 10 seconds. All right, so now the question now is that if the 3-day free trial end, what do we do next? Well, what you need to do is to go ahead and repeat the process. Yes, it's a circle. You need to repeat the circle. Head over to your temporary email, generate a particular temporary email, come back to Grok and then go ahead and subscribe, sign up into new account and subscribe. So after 3 days again, you repeat the process. So you do this whenever you have a project, and with that, at least you can make do with it. So, and you have card already, so all you have to do is to just get the email, come and sign up, and then you have access to SuperGrok. So the same card, this is the second time I'm using the same card. Yes, this is the second time. All right, so now to the next process. I'm going to show you how to remove the card, because immediately I'm done, I usually remove the card. But before I show you how to remove the card, let's head over to the second method, okay, which will cost you about $2. But this second method, you don't need to repeat any process. You don't need any temporary email. You don't need to do and do again. All you need to do is just one time, okay, and you have it for complete 1 month. Now let me show you how to do that. All right, so the second method, you need to have an X account, that is Twitter account. Go ahead and click it. All right, when you open your Twitter, as a new beginner, you just have to go ahead and sign up or create an account. You make sure you have a Twitter account, then go ahead and click your profile, and then you are going to see this premium. Go ahead and click this premium. Okay, so when you click the premium, you are going to see, you see, so you have basic here. This one will cost, you see, the basic is going to cost me 3,000, that is $2. Yes, this is just $2. Save 3,000, that is $2. Yeah, so this one will cost you $2. Now take a look at the experience and the future. When you subscribe to this, you will have access to, look at it, Grok AI. Look at that, you have access to Grok AI. You see, you have access to Grok AI, and also when you subscribe to the premium, you also have access to Grok AI. But if you want to pay more money, if you are an odogu, you can go ahead and pay and subscribe to this premium plus. If you subscribe to this premium plus, you have access to SuperGrok. Okay, but these two, this particular two, this basic and this premium, it is the normal Grok AI that we are using before, which is 50 video generation per day. Remember the one that we are using before they say we should pay that 50 and 6 seconds. That is the one that they are going to give us if you pay this money. So instead of, but if you have money and you want to have access to SuperGrok, instead of pay $30, you can pay just $20. I think, yeah, you can pay $20 instead of $30, $20, and you have access to SuperGrok. So even though if you want to pay for the SuperGrok, I highly advise you to come here and make this premium plus, because it's less expensive with $20. That is 38,000 instead of 48,000 naira, right? So this is good. When you make the payment, you are going to see Grok. They are going to ask you to authorize it from your X account. When you authorize it, you have access to Grok. So this is good, this is nice. So whenever you want to cancel your subscription online, you just have to head over to your Play Store. And then go ahead and click your profile. You are going to see payment and subscription, and then you see subscription. You see this Grok, this is active Grok. You see, now go ahead and click the Grok which is active, and then you are going to see cancel subscription, right? Cancel subscription. You just have to go ahead and click cancel subscription, and my subscription will be cancelled successfully. You see, I can cancel it like this. I'm done, so I can go ahead and cancel the subscription immediately. So I don't need to leave the card there. Whenever I'm done, I'll cancel. You see, subscription will be cancelled. You see, cancelled. Now I've cancelled the subscription, and I still have access to the Grok. Now let's go back to Grok. You see that we still have access to the SuperGrok until after 3 days. Now let's head over to my Grok. Come to profile. I want to see. Okay, you see, so the SuperGrok is still active. We still have access to the SuperGrok. Even though we have cancelled the subscription, we can still use it for 3 days. So after 3 days, we can go ahead, go to temporary email, create a new email, come back here, create a new account, and keep enjoying it. And this is basically how to use SuperGrok for absolutely free. I know the method is somehow tricky, somehow, but if you don't have the money to pay $30 every month, then you don't have any option. You have to use this method so that you can at least be putting something out there on your channel. Yes, I hope you find this video helpful, right? If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to tell me something nice at the comment section and give me a thumbs up, and that will really help me a lot. I remain Big Jonah as per your friend. Hand to head salute. Bye.